Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are diving into how to customize the craft theme in Shopify. Are you ready to transform your store look? At the end of this video, you will have all the tools you need to design your store like a pro. Let's get started. First, let's open our Shopify store and see what it currently looks like. Nothing much here. Time to design it up with the craft theme. Let's check what products we have in our store. Here is the list of products. Let's proceed to customize the theme. Click on Online Store. Currently, the Dawn theme is active. We need to replace this theme with the Craft theme. Scroll down and find Visit Theme Store. You will find a list of themes. Look for Craft. Once you find it, click and view the demonstration. If you are okay with that, click on Try Theme. The craft theme will be added to the theme library. Click on Customize to start customizing the craft theme. This is where we will start customizing our store. Let's begin by changing the header. Add our brand's color scheme. Black background and white text. Let's add our logo and resize it to fit perfectly. Next, click on Add Section and choose the Image Banner option. Then insert the banner from the library. Next, add a section for future products and link it with the product. Then link the college section with the products and collections. As you can see, the products are linked with our store. Now, let's add a slideshow section and insert image for the slide. Let's add About Us section. Click on Add Section. Choose Image with Text. Insert the image and edit the text accordingly. Lastly, let's insert some sample customer review. Click on Add Section, choose multi-column, insert the image, and type the customer name and the reviews. Once everything is done, save your changes and publish to replace the current theme. Let's preview our final look. As you can see, our craft theme is edited in this way, and it looks fantastic. You can customize your store like this using craft theme. Thank you for watching.